How y'all doing? CJ Moto here. I got this sweet new Mavic Air and I'm heading out to a dam and I'm gonna get some good footage for y'all. I'm gonna be filming in I believe 1080p 60 frames per second. That way I can easily upload the footage and do all the editing on my phone like I like to, and I don't have to mess with a computer, because I think with the 4K you kind of have to mess with a computer. You can't do that all through your phone. But anyhow, I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I hope you enjoy this little video montage from the first few flights with my DJI Mavic Air. This sunset was just beautiful this evening out there. I barely caught it. I show up right on time. Just look at this. Beautiful. Here's that new Polar Pro case that I got. I just really didn't like the factory bag. And this thing is sweet. It's got 1, 2, 3 slots for batteries, which I did put a cable here because I don't need all these slots, because check this out. You got one battery here, okay? You got one battery in the drone itself, which fits real nice in there. And then it has another spot underneath the drone for another battery. So I got 3 batteries in this sucker. 3 batteries in this jank. And I still got 2 left. So I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batteries in this thing. Then I've got my parabolic range extender. I've got my little cable that connects the controller to the phone. I've got my charging hub for 4 batteries right here, my power source, all my cables, and then the controller fits in here, and you don't even have to remove the knobs on it. So yeah, I love this thing. And then it has a little storage area up here where I have my extra propellers. Yeah, a little case from Polar Pro. Very cool. The only thing is, well, the outside's like a felt material and I love it, but just make sure that you don't sit it down on like a dirty table or something, because it picks up anything you set it on. I hope y'all enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope everyone has an excellent weekend. Time for CJ Moto to get back to the house and have a beer. Y'all have a good night.